Ready? Get ready. Start. He was behaving as if he was not at all concerned as to what happened to his wife's store. The information of her death was passed on at the police station by his brother Rajendra, who, as per his statement under section 313 criminal procedure code also was living separately store. Rajendra seemingly did so as the faction of her death could not be screened indefinitely store. He might have also been under the fear of being embroiled on the matter store. All the facts taken together clinically established that Ramesh Kumar was treating his wife with cruelty store. Judged from any angle, it was the accused Ramesh Kumar, husband of the deceased, who drove his wife to a state of utter depression and frustration, leaving no other way for her except of putting an end to her life by committing suicide. So he treated her with cruelty, with the underlying design of extracting an additional amount of rupees 20,000 from her parents as dowry store. His acquittal recorded by the trial court is wholly unsatisfied and manifestly erroneous without an in-depth analysis of the evidence on record, as also the law, including section 113B of Indian Evidence Act. Though the acquittal of the other three accused respondents, Rajendra Kumar, Srimati Kamla, and Srimati Rani, deserves to be confirmed. So, in the result, this appeal filed by the state is partly allowed. Stop the acquittal of the accused respondents Rajendra Kumar, Srimati Kamla, and Srimati Rani is affirmed, but that of accused respondent Ramesh Kumar, husband of the deceased, is reversed. Stop. He, Ramesh Kumar, is found guilty of offences punishable under section 304B and 498A IPC. He is sentenced to undergo 5 years rigorous imprisonment under section 304B IPC and 1 year's rigorous imprisonment under section 498A IPC. Both the sentences shall run concurrently. The accused Ramesh Kumar is on bail. The Chief Judicial Magistrate Jhansi shall cause him to be arrested and lodged in jail to serve out the sentences. To certify the judgment to the lower court, transmitting the record immediately. Stop. Compliance shall be reported by the Chief Judicial Magistrate within 2 months from the date of receipt of a copy of his order. Stop.